Hello and welcome to the Listicle channel. Today, we'll be exploring the top 10 benefits of daily meditation with our trusty narrator, Listerbot. So sit back, relax, and let Listerbot guide you through the wonderful world of meditation. Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years and is known for its ability to promote relaxation, reduce stress, and increase self-awareness. But did you know that there are many other benefits to this ancient practice? Let's count down the top 10 benefits of daily meditation, with a different scene for each one. Reduced symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Studies have shown that meditation can be an effective complementary therapy for reducing symptoms of PTSD. Improved relationships and social connections. By promoting empathy and compassion, meditation can improve relationships and increase social connections. Increased feelings of calmness and relaxation. The relaxation response that occurs during meditation can lead to increased feelings of calmness and relaxation, even in daily life. Increased self-awareness and self-esteem. Through the practice of mindfulness and self-reflection, meditation can increase self-awareness and improve self-esteem. Improved immune function. The relaxation response induced by meditation has been shown to improve immune function, leading to a stronger and more resilient body. Lowered blood pressure. Studies have shown that meditation can help lower blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. Reduced symptoms of depression. Regular meditation practice has been linked to a reduction in symptoms of depression and an overall improvement in mood. Better sleep quality. Meditating before bedtime has been shown to improve sleep quality and increase feelings of restfulness. Improved concentration and focus. By training the mind to focus on the present moment, meditation can help improve concentration and focus in daily life. Reduced stress and anxiety. Research has shown that meditation can help reduce levels of the stress hormone cortisol, leading to a decrease in feelings of anxiety. And there you have it, the top 10 benefits of daily meditation. Whether you're a seasoned practitioner or just starting out, incorporating meditation into your daily routine can have profound effects on your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Like, comment and subscribe, so why not give it a try and see for yourself? Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time on the Listicle channel.